Magandang gabi sa lahat. Ako po si Ferdinand Darawan, isang singer-songwriter from Cebu City. So, some of my songs will be in Bisaya. And thank you so much, 70s Bistro and OPM for having me. Speaking of Bisaya songs, this next song is a Bisaya one. I think this is my latest release and it's one of this year's Philpop Himig Handog entries. So, isa ako sa mga interpreter. This song is hard to play and sing, so please bear with me. It's entitled Buhi, written by Keith Kito. Buhi means, it has two meanings actually. The first one is Buhi, meaning bumitaw, to let go, and the other one is Buhi as in alive. So the song's theme is letting go to live.
Balik-balikan lang sa'yo sa mga balik. Kabisan pa kapilaan kang higugmaan, pili mo tuwang iwan. Di na mabalik ang oras, adlaw o ikaw. Punta mo hayag lang, may pagpundag sa ulan. Punta mo hulog na pagsabi, kaya hapit na yung pumabutang. Kinahanglan ko ng muhin, aluro mo na muhin. O pasagdan kung lumang mamatay. Kabila pa man di ay magpaulit kung sa mga tao, mga palasay. Ang mga sa tunay katumaran. Mautong suha